Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School. ഈ സെഷനിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഇസ് ഫ്ലുവൻസി ആൻഡ് കൊഹിയറൻസ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് ഇൻ IELTS exam or IELTS speaking. So something you need to keep in your mind. The very first thing you need to take into consideration is that fluency and coherence is something which is not an inborn skill, it is something which is acquired. Therefore, speaking in a fluent manner or speaking in a coherent manner is always a distant dream for a non-native speaker of English. So the very first thing is, whenever you face a trained speaker of English language, do not get intimidated. Because if you have the enough willpower and confidence, you can also speak English fluently and also in a coherent manner. So, how can you speak in a fluent or coherent manner? The very first thing is, if you are not able to recollect a particular word, try to describe that word in some other ways, maybe by describing its features itself. For example, if I want to say that I had jackfruit along with my breakfast, but I am not able to recollect the word jackfruit. So I can describe that word in various ways. I can say that it's probably a fruit which has small spines on its outer surface, it's yellowish in color in its inner surface. So the person who is listening to you will be able to easily interpret what kind of a fruit it might be. So try to describe it in all the possible ways. Second thing is, when you are into using complex sentences, try to make use of contractions like won't, shouldn't or it will, which will actually reduce your labor of thinking of the appropriate words which you should use there. Third thing is, try to enjoy your speaking. Now, most of us do not tend to enjoy our speaking. We just speak for the sake of speaking. But instead, try to enjoy the way you speak. Try to enjoy the way you emote your expressions. It will definitely help you in order to make your speech fluent as well as coherent. And the last one is, whenever you are using words which are new, try to understand the meaning of that word. Do not just memorize it for the sake of memorizing, but try to understand what is the meaning of that word, which context you are making use of that word, and why you have made use of that word in this particular context. It will greatly help you in order to get well acquainted with the meaning of that particular word. So these are some of the simple ways through which you can improve your fluency in English language as well as make your speech coherent to the person who hears you, which could be actually made use of in your IELTS speaking test exam. I hope it was useful and informative. Thank you.